Boom shakalaka, with Bitcoin price breaking out exactly as we talked about would happen. We're going to take a look at some charts today for exactly what this means for Bitcoin. You definitely want to stay tuned. What's up everyone, Randall here from Crypto Love. Today's video, we're taking a look at what this Bitcoin price breakout means for Bitcoin. Before we get into it, make sure to smash the like button. Let's try and get to 1,000 likes. Now, today in extreme fear at 16, up from the past week. So, getting a little bit better. The overall market up about 3% today. Bitcoin at 31,538, Ethereum at 1971, BNB at 318, Cardano 65 cents, XRP 41 cents, Solana $46, and Dogecoin 8 cents. And if you want to know the top coins today based on artificial intelligence and machine learning, they would be Euclid Coin, eMoney Euro, Tron, Coin Metro, and Flex Coin. And if you want to check out token metrics for yourself, there is a discount link down in the description. Now, Bitcoin price has broken out exactly as we were discussing. We had this wedge here. Price broke out above. And is it a surprise? Well, potentially not. Every time we have one of these blue dotted lines here, this was a break in the RSI downtrend, and each time was the beginning of a nice, healthy up move in Bitcoin. Well, this just happened a few days ago, and we had this wedge. Well, Bitcoin price broke up. But what does this particularly mean? Well, if we take a look, it turns out that Bitcoin is currently in its fourth longest downtrend in its entire history. And gosh, I'm so happy to say that I have been part of 3 of 4 of these long downtrends. And boy, they are not fun. But when the trend changes and it actually ends up going back up, things start to get fun again. Now, it looks like Bitcoin did find support on Plan C's Confluence floor model. So if you're not following him on Twitter, make sure you follow him on Twitter to find out exactly what's going on with the Confluence floor model. Right now, though, Bitcoin is looking bullish on 8 different time frames. Either already a bullish pattern in progress or a bullish breakout already completed. If we take a look at the 2-month time frame, we have a bullish falling wedge. The 1-month time frame, a bullish falling wedge. The 2-week time frame, a bullish falling wedge. The 1-week time frame, a bullish falling wedge. 3-day time frame, bullish bump and run reversal and throwback. 1-day time frame, bullish falling wedge. 12-hour time frame, symmetrical triangle and bullish breakout. And 4-hour time frame, horizontal channel and bullish breakout. But that's not all, because we also have this, probably one of the most accurate predictors for the beginning of Bitcoin bull runs, being the 2-week Chaikin money flow. It looks like this signal has just once again predicted the beginning of a Bitcoin bull run. Look at that. Every time after it signaled the beginning of a bull run, seems like getting in at the bottom right now. Not only that, but when we take a look at the 2-month choppiness index, it gives a third historical signal for starting bull runs. Each time it passed this level, once the blue line passes this green level line, guess what? Bull run, bull run, bull run, potentially once again, which brings us to exactly where Bitcoin could be headed. Because could this be the beginning of the bull run? Yes. Could this be a bull trap? Yes. Might we get up to this $41,000 level and then stop and come back down? Yes. Those are all possibilities. I hope that they're not. I hope we head straight upwards. So let's take a look at what potentially that could mean. Well, plan B over here is saying that the original 2019 55,000 stock to flow model seems to fit better than the $100,000 update. So the original one is in gray. The $100,000 update is here in these white dotted lines. Interestingly, a refit based on the 18-month average of the stock to flow model, which, excuse me, that's the white dotted lines, it confirms the original model. The bad news is that the $100,000 model was probably too high. So this gray one saying $100,000, probably too high for this previous halving. However, the good news is the model still points to $500,000 after the 2024 halving. So even though we're going through some pain now, even though there's some capitulation and the price coming down and all these terrible things happening, after the 2024 halving, we could be looking at a $500,000 Bitcoin, which is further echoed by this chart right here. I believe this is from just what the doctor ordered, but the $200 trillion monetary energy network. Look at this. After the 2024 halving, we're going to have a $300,000 2-year average price. And then the year after that, guess what? $800,000. And then 1.8 million, 3.4, 5, all the way up to $10 million. So despite what's happening in the short term, I think if you zoom out to the long term, everyone will be pretty darn happy about what's happening with Bitcoin. So that's all for today's video. If you did enjoy it, make sure to like, subscribe, click the notification bell. I'll catch you guys later. Have a good one. Love you. Peace.